But I can change it right now, right? The prison time instead.
Oh, okay, he wants prison time.
I
He
really
can stop. He wants to go to prison.
No, that's okay.
Nope. We're gonna do prison time for you. I do not feel comfortable granting your application for probation and allowing you out and about for the holidays. So those are your only two choices. Either it's prison for 3 years or either it's probation with the conditions that I'm going to give you.
Well, I guess I'll take a chance in the county.
All right, so. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 008-427 State versus Moses Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Fair sale.
Defense?
I'm coming in for the accused.
And are you Mr. Martinez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You entered a plea bargain agreement, and according to your plea, punishment is assessed at 3 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 restitution amount to Desiree Ruth, ROUTH. And the court ordered a PSI and TAP evaluation. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI and TAP evaluation, state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense? Any objections to the PSI and TAP, state?
The substance abuse screening instrument administered says yes, and if yes, tool and score is left blank.
Okay. All
It's the
right.
only-
All right. All right, so after reviewing the PSI report and the TAP evaluation, state, do you still wish to proceed with the agreement that was tendered?
State change its offer to silent on an application for community supervision.
Any objections to that?
No objection to that, Your Honor.
All right, so here's the thing, Mr. Martinez.
Yes, Your Honor.
I can do one or two things with your case. One, I can follow your agreement, the 3 years in the prison. But I will tell you right now, if I were to grant your application, I would not feel comfortable with you being on bond during the holidays. So you would be at the Bexar County Jail. Felony drug court does not open up its ability to accept new people till the end of January. So if you want the court to consider an application for probation, I will. But that's what I would consider. End of story. There is no, but can I do this? But can I do that? That's the only way that I would consider giving you probation. And let me just explain to you why I wanted the PSI and the TAP evaluation, because I see that your history is riddled with DWIs, right? 3 years, prison. Maybe they'll help you with your drug issues with alcohol, maybe not. But I do know once you're released from prison, then there will be really no supervision. So those are your choices. And if felony drug court does not take you, then you will be waiting there for another evaluation for perhaps lifetime recovery. Those are your choices.
Can I show you some paperwork here? Look, I have attended college. Look, I was in a car accident. That's why I didn't finish my
All right, so I understand what you're telling, but I want you to hear me.
Yes,
You only have two choices. Either you're going to prison for 3 years. When you get out of prison, there's probably not going to be any supervision, or either you're going into custody today and felony drug court will review you for their program at the end of January because they don't have any room for you. I do not feel comfortable granting your application for probation and allowing you out and about for the holidays. So those are your only two choices. Either it's prison for 3 years or either it's probation with the conditions that I'm going to give you. So do you need to discuss that with your attorney?
so I'm gonna be locked up right now to win.
Oh, if felony drug court accepts you, great. If they don't accept you, then you're gonna go into some inpatient treatment.
And what about that mental program on County Court 12?
No,
Am I-
this is a felony.
This is felony, this.
Yes.
Well, I guess I'll take a chance in the county.
All right. So, well,
So,
when you say
uh,
take a chance in the county, what do you mean?
Well, you said I'm gonna be there in the county jail, see if I apply for that probation, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's what I want.
So you do not wish to go to prison?
No,
All right, then counsel, I'll need you to fill out an application for community supervision and we'll go from there.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you all can change your plea bargain agreement to the state is silent.
Your Honor, I have a question. How long more or less will I be in there?
All right, so see, here's the thing.
This is what I'm ready for.
Let me just tell you something. This is what I noticed. I noticed that when people are looking at prison, they will say they will do anything not to be in prison. And then when they're given a chance not to be in prison, then they want to write different things.
Yes.
So, I mean, you'll be in there as long as they require you to be in there. That's how long you're gonna be in there.
Okay, but I can change it right now, right? The present time. still?
Oh, okay. He wants prison time.
I
You
really
can stop. He wants to go to prison.
No, that's okay.
Nope. We're gonna do prison time. All right, that's what he wants. Could I see the paperwork? He's decided he wants to do prison, so I'm gonna follow your agreement. I know, to the family, sometimes people want to do what they want to do. So the court is gonna sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 restitution to Desiree. Desiree Ruth, Routh. There is a 2-year driver's license suspension. All right, is there anything else with regards to sentencing? And let me see, I don't have his trial court certification, counsel. For some reason, it's not a part of
Did
the
fill it
packet.
out. It's in the file. I can fill out another one.
All right, thank you. And also add the therapeutic community.
People wait a minute. You wanna get ready for the time I was locked up? Right?
Yes, legally, I'm required to give you that. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.